Welcome. My name is Randy Jenny, and this is a short video demonstrating the goal-seek function. It's aimed at MacEwan University students taking business computing, and you can download the Excel highlights file using the link below. I'm on the basics spreadsheet, and I'm down on row 29. So I'm going to highlight Penny and some data associated with Penny, and I'm going to copy that and paste it down here. So what we want to do here is figure out how much Penny has to sell in order to earn $1,600 a month. So right now she's earning $1,400, and we want to up that to 16. So what I could do is I could play around with her sales figures and try several attempts and see how close I could get to 1,600. But there's a better way to do this. There's something called goal seek. If I put my cursor on F36, and it has to be a formula, then I can use goal seek. So I can go up to data, and under what if analysis I can choose goal seek. So what I can do on this within this dialog box is I can say set cell F36, so I'm already in F36. So I want to set that cell to a value of 1600 instead of what it is right now, 1417, by changing, now this has to be one of the cells that feeds into that formula. So I'm going to set it to achieve that goal by changing cell C36. In other words, Penny's sales. And I'm going to click OK. And it says, yes, it did find a solution. So it was able to achieve 1600. And if I click OK, I can see that if Penny sells 26,000 instead of her original 22,345 value, then it achieves the total value of 1600. And that's it. Thanks for watching.